Hello, I have a quick Walmart haul that I'd like to show you. All their Easter stuff are out now, and so I got 2 packages of these cute hair clips, and I thought these would be cute to put on planners and junk journals. So that's what I will be doing with them. And then also, I've been doing Instagram videos on easy to put together Easter gifts, and so these will be cute to put on the items that I show too. And these are only $1, so cute. And then I grabbed this cute Peep keychain. The lip balm actually goes right into the back here. I thought that was adorable. So I will be using that in some of my gift ideas. And then I got this shred. It's kind of a turquoise, pink, and purple. I thought that was super cute. And I got 2 packs of these to-do lists. I'm constantly writing down things to do, and I just get scratch paper, so I'm going to use these. They even come with a cute pen. I thought those were adorable, and I can't remember the price. They weren't very much. I want to say maybe $5 or $7. I don't know, but I thought those were way cute and would come in handy. And then they had these cute sticker books. These were only $1, so I got 2. And they've just got the cutest bunny stickers. And there's some alphabet letters. You don't get a ton, but for $1, I think that's still a good deal. And then this cute little Happy Easter lip moisturizer, that was only $1 as well. You could even put a ribbon here and tie a cute bow or put some tulle to spruce that up. And then I got this, It's Better Being a Bunny. And what I'm going to do is tear these pages out and use those in planners and junk journals. So I thought that was way cute. And then if you are a crafter, you've got to run. You guys, I mean run. Look at these. Shoelace charms. So you get 2. These were $1. And we all know how expensive some of the beaded bow items are when you see them in the stores. So I got 1, 2, 3. I got 5. So I got 20 for $5. Shoelace charms. You guys run and get these if you're a crafter. You can use these on your journals. You can use them on your dangles in swaps. You can put them on your containers that hold your swaps. I mean, you can put them on everything you can think of. Aren't they so cute? I was going to take one off. Let me take one off so you can see it better. I just have to cut this plastic holder here so I can show you. I might even go back and get more. I can even see using these at Christmas in swaps and on things. Look how cute. $1. And all together, with the streamer, it's, let's see, it's about 2.5 inches long and 2 inches wide. So couldn't wait to show you those because I think that is a definite steal and you want to go get some. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.